Hello my lovelies, so we've got a haul. So this was kind of a should I or shouldn't do it haul, so let me show you it properly. So it's from Boozyshop. I've ordered it from Boozyshop one time. I ordered a glam light palette many moons ago. Which palette was it? I can't remember. I can't remember which one I ordered, but it was many moons ago. I saw that they was selling Essence face palette. They do the fair one and they also do the medium to deep one. So I decided to go ahead and treat myself. They package it really well. So brown paper there. I like this part. So it says, "Hi bestie, your new beauty goodies are here at Boozyshop. Thank you for your order. Wow, you have amazing taste. We can't wait to see you rock these goodies. Share your haul and remember to tag us at Boozyshop, #Boozyshop. See you soon, babe." And then it says, "Thanks, Andrea," and the name of the person that put it all together. And then inside it's got pink tissue paper. Such attention to detail considering I didn't spend that much money. I got 2 of the face palettes, one for me and one for my friend, and then I think I spent £3 on something else, and then I spent £5 on shipping. £5 on shipping from Germany to where I live is practically unheard of. I think I'm going to keep this. And then they put everything in this little bag here. It's so cute. I think I'm going to send this little bag to my friend. So this is why I wanted to do this video now, because I'm getting ready to mail all the stuff out to her. And we've got some bubble wrap, so it's nice to know I've got bubble wrap waiting. Right, so this is my stuff. So I didn't need a new blush, but this one is like that really nice rose tone brown, and it's in the shade 100 Blossom Pink. It's the Essence Blush Crush. I just really love the fact that it's got all these clouds on it. Look at that, that's stunning. So that can go in my powder blushes. And then we've got the face palette that's going viral at the moment. So I haven't seen this anywhere in the UK. So I'm like, I'm going to have to order it because I keep looking at it. Everyone's comparing it to the Hourglass palettes. I don't think so. I don't think it'll be comparable. I think it just looks the same. So this is in the shade 10 Glow Icon. This is the fairest of them all. I'm going to do swatches for you. I've got the time. So it looks like that, like I said. Right, so I hope this isn't too dark, especially this bronzer. So I'm going to swatch the highlighter first. So that looks pretty golden. It's just because I'm so fair. But with makeup on, it should be okay. That's pretty. Is that not pretty? And then this rosy toned blush here. I don't think they've got shade names, have they? I don't think so. That's a really nice rosy toned brown rosy toned blush. And then this one. That one's not got much to it. I think that's been mixed on my finger. Hang on. Right, let's try it again. Yeah, it does have that rosy tone shade to it. I thought maybe I'd mixed a bit of this in with it, so I prefer this one over this one. But I think the idea is that you mix them together. I've seen people do that. And then the bronzer. The bronzer looks very glowy. If you don't like a glowy bronzer, you're not going to like it. You could just use it as a topper though. I'm going to put that next to the highlighter. I'm going to go in with another. So let's see if we can zoom in. Right, that's it all together. Look at that highlight. Look how beaming it is. Yeah, you can tell this is a glowy bronze, and they're the two blushes. So we're definitely going to be using those two blushes together, I think. They're very, very similar colours. This is just a bit darker. So I want to swatch this for you as well. So is there anywhere to swatch it? Move my watch up a bit. So this is the Essence Blush Crush, like I said, and it's in Blossom Pink. Just make sure there's nothing on the hands. I am going to have so much choices to pick out this month for Shop My Stash. Before I completely ruin the imprint, that's what it looks like. I think it'll be a while before I ruin the imprint. It's very embossed. That looks a lot like the lighter shade here. Let's see if it is. Let's swatch them near. It's a bit darker actually. I'm just going to go in with a bit more. Yeah, can you see? It's a little bit darker than this one. But it's so smooth. It's like it's got that blurring effect. It looks really, really pretty. I can't wait to use all this. This is definitely going to be featuring in my Shop My Stash, coming really, really soon. I might even start putting things together today in a video. I'm not too sure what I'm going to be pulling out for blush because I've got a lot of new blushes. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.